Hello, I am John Fletcher, a rising SEAL in Northwest High School of Germantown, Maryland. I actually first heard of SEAP from my speech pathologist at my school. She mentioned to me that they're doing some internships at nearby Fletcher laboratory. And while this wasn't SEAP, I was interested and started looking around to see if the Navy or the military was doing something similar. And that's how I actually found SEAP on the website. I really wanted to grab this internship as I've always had an interest in both the Navy, and I was looking at a degree in Naval architecture, and a place like Carderock allowing someone like me, a high schooler, to get hands-on experience in Naval architecture with the Navy itself sounded absolutely wonderful. So this year I'm working with the Center for Innovation of Ship Design. Now what we do is various custom designs for new ship ideas. So right now I'm leading a team of interns in developing a light aircraft carrier that revolves around launching and uncovering of unmanned aerial vehicles, also known as large drones. Now how I do this is by creating rough drafts of our ships, such as figuring out layouts, weights, stability, and from that calculating the things that the ship would need, such as the amount of fuel, the engines, or the aircraft and weapons carried. This is actually my second year with the SEAP program, because last year I was a part of the outreach program, and we were working together on developing small drone boats. And my part of the team was to develop a propulsion system using the Arduino system, while my other teammates developed the propeller and also made a hull out of 3D printed material. So my favorite part at the SEAP program is definitely exploring the fields we have at Carderock. Now Carderock is a place where we have dozens, if not a good 100 fields of science and some great people and great equipment to teach it. Now what I really like to do is going to these people or touring these facilities and learning what the field of science is and how it relates to the real world. As an example, just today we took a ride on a carriage at the Marta Basin, and we went about 10 to 15 knots along the water. And this is a really cool experience that almost anyone would want to have, but as a high school intern, working here is a place that I can't get it anywhere else. So the other part of the SEAP program which I think is really unique is the fact that we just have a lot of fun here. Now given, yes, it is a workplace and you do have a mentor who is someone that is definitely interested in you and is very advanced in the field, and it's great to just learn from them. However, it's nice also just have fun and just stop learning for a bit. Example with SEAP, last year we went down to Naval Station Norfolk and we actually toured active duty ships of the US Navy, which just taught us of, hey, what the work we do at Carderock, how it actually impacts the world, and also what we actually do at Carderock and why it's important. And we do some other really fun things here, such as last year we made a, say, 5-6 foot long boat and we put it in the water, so we all sat around in it. We attend these Monday lectures by people at Carderock, introducing them to the scientists and what they do. And I think one of the other fun parts is just finding the various laboratories and equipment here at Carderock, being taught what it does, what it can do, and allowing you to actually operate sometimes. So throughout my now 2 years of SEAP, I felt myself growing exponentially. You know, being able to interact with experts at Carderock or leading my fellow interns and students and just learning more about myself and the world has been amazing. I definitely encourage students interested in similar fields or just as scientists to apply or at least find similar programs that interest them.